Hi friends, it's Miss Julie and Miss Lowe. Today we're going to practice one of our new nursery rhymes called 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. And this is how it goes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. All right, now here's Miss Lowe.
1, 2, ato mis zapatos. 3, 4, abro la puerta. 5, 6, recojo los palos. 7, 8, vuelvo a dejarlos. 9, 10, empieza otra vez. 1, 2, ato mis zapatos. 3, 4, abro la puerta. 5, 6, cojo un gusano. 7, 8, vuelvo a dejarlos. 9, 10, carcarea el gallo. ¡Cucurú, curú!